Today, I'll walk you through how to use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 DNS and WARP VPN on Windows 10, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up Cloudflare's DNS and VPN service so you can enhance your online privacy and security. Let's get started. First, you'll want to search for the Cloudflare One client. Open your preferred web browser and type Go Cloudflare One client into the search bar. This will lead you to the official download page where you can find the necessary software to get started. Once you're on the search results page, look for the link that says Download Cloudflare One Client Stable Releases. Click on that link, and this will take you to a page where you can find the latest version available for download. Next, you will want to click on Download Latest Stable Release. This will initiate the download of the Cloudflare One client, which is essential for using the WARP VPN. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps remain the same. After the download is complete, simply install the software by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, open the Cloudflare One client. This is where the magic happens. To use your VPN, sign in using your team's name on Cloudflare and proceed with the authentication. This step is crucial as it connects you securely to the Cloudflare network, ensuring your online activities are protected. Once you're logged in, you should see a status indicating that you are connected. This means your WARP VPN is now active, providing you with enhanced security while browsing. Now, if you want to utilize Cloudflare's default DNS, simply turn off your WARP VPN. Next, navigate to your network settings. Here, you will change the DNS server assignment to manual. Input the DNS address 1111. This is Cloudflare's DNS server, known for its speed and privacy. To verify that everything is set up correctly, visit the Cloudflare test page by typing 1111 help into your browser. This page will confirm if your DNS is functioning as intended, ensuring you're all set to enjoy a faster and more secure internet experience. In conclusion, you've now successfully set up Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 DNS and WARP VPN on your Windows 10 device. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.